Hazrat Abu Sayyid radiyallahu anhu says, we in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out until we reached a garden called Shouth, and then went towards the two gardens and sat in between them. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, keep on sitting here, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered. There Jonia was brought, who was made dismount in a house of date palm. Her name was Umayma, the daughter of Nauman bin Sharhil, and was accompanied by her midwife who had brought her up. When the Prophet ﷺ went towards her, he ﷺ said, entrust me yourself. She whereupon said, can a queen present herself to an ordinary fellow? The reporter says he ﷺ extended his hand in order to place on her head and console her, but she said, I seek refuge in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against you. He ﷺ thereupon said, you have sought the refuge in the one whose refuge is sought. He ﷺ then came to us and said, O Abu Usaid, give her 2 rizqi dresses to wear and take her back to her family. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5255.